Hi. I want to touch on what's going on with the deadly flood that went through Texas. I'm going to point out again at the end of this who ultimately is at fault. But let's go through some things here because some of the comments I'm hearing out there are downright despicable. And by downright despicable, I mean this is on Biden. No, it's not. Well, why didn't they check the weather before they went? They likely did. Let me tell you what I'm getting that the weather was saying for those days. The weather was saying it was going to rain, but nowhere near the amounts that they got. Now, it comes down to the National Weather Service, which is government funded. But then we go up to NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, I believe. Might be off on that, but those warnings didn't come for those people of that flood any more than it came for the people that were killed in that those tornadoes that ripped through the South. Want to know why? Because DOGE laid off a shitload of people. And then funding was cut to NOAA. I believe about 600 people got laid off or so. And the ultimate responsibility for this goes on MAGA. You people who voted for this. You people who did not vote at all. You people who decided to vote for Jill Stein because, well, protest, Gaza, Biden. That's who I blame.